Hello everyone. The topic I will be talking is justified content. Justified content is similar to the alignment that is in PowerPoint, where it help us to align the content to right or left. Here I go. Justified content property is a subproperty of the flexible box layout module. It shows how the browser distributes the space between and around the content items along the main axis of the Flex container and the inline axis of grid container. It means that it helps to distribute the space between and around the content of items. Content of items means the element or menu along the main axis that is vertically, not horizontally, obviously, of the Flex container. The difference between the Flex container and the grid container is that Flex container is one-dimensional position and grid container is a two-dimensional position. Justified content lines along the main axis, that is left to right. Uh, we can set the property. It is the property of justified content. There is total of 6 that are flex start, which is default one, flex and center, space between and space around, and the space evenly. The practical will be done later. First, let me see properties that are first one, flex start. It used to position the item at the beginning of the container. Here, this is the container and the items are at the beginning of the container. Flex end used to position the item at the end of the container. Here, in the container, the position of the items are at the end side or left side. Here, now center, it is used to position the item in the center. Using the center, we can position the items in the center of the whole container. Space between is used to position the item, the space between the lines. It helps to keep the space between the two items or the elements. Space around. It is used to position the item with the space before, between, and after the line, which means unlike the space between, which provides the space between the line, the space around, what it does is it also provides the space before the first element. That is here, you see clearly. And coming to space evenly, uh, there is no difference between the space around, rather that the space evenly provides the equal size of space between the lines, before the lines, or after the lines. Let's go with the practical side. First, let me load this one. This output is the result of last property, that is space evenly, where all the space before after the lines are same. Now let's go with the default property, that is flex start. All the items will be in extreme left side. Now let's do with the end, flex end. Using this, all the menus or the items will be in extreme right side. Here you see. Now center. Using the center, the items will be in between, in the middle of the container. Here you see. Now space between. Using the space between, the space between the items will be formed. Here you see. Now using the space around, there will be space before, between, and after the line. Here, these are the space. What the space around us? The space around provides the space around the item. Now let's do with the space evenly. Using the space evenly, it provides the same size of space. Here, the space before, between, and after are same. Thank you.